Gemma Collins showed off her weight loss as she prepares for her dream holiday, promising him going in hard. The reality TV queen treated fans to the glam shot on Instagram. Gemma, 40, showed off her shrinking frame in a flamboyant white top with colorful floral pattern on it. She teamed in with tight white leggings that highlighted her curves. Gemma added another splash of color with her bright pink headpiece. The former Towie star showed off her natural beauty wearing minimal makeup and her trademark lashes. She captioned the shot, "Mykonos. Once my work is complete, I am hitting Mykonos hard. It's my favorite place and Italy. I'm going in hard, he. The weather ATM is actually not the one. Where's your go-to? As soon as you can, comment below. Anyone else looking back at holiday pics dreaming?" Meanwhile, Gemma looked thinner than ever as she stripped down to a leopard print swimsuit in a throwback snap on a yacht after her 3-stone weight loss. She treated fans to the motivational picture on Instagram just days ago. Gemma looked glam in the slinky animal print one-piece. It featured a belt that nipped her in at the middle to reveal her shrinking waist. Gemma, who kicked off her sensational weight loss when she was on Dancing on Ice 3 years ago, looked every inch the star as she posed in her sunglasses on the yacht. She captioned the shot with a motivational message for her fans. It read, "Anything you can imagine you can create. Make your dreams a reality. You really can achieve and have the life you always wanted. And remember, the harder you work, the luckier you get. XGC."